Hey guys! If you want to learn how to make butter cookies, keep watching. These butter cookies are not your regular butter cookies. These are super soft and crisp on the edges. In a bowl, add 80 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it together. Add 40 grams, which is 1/3 cup of icing sugar / confectioner sugar. Add a cup of flour, which is 125 grams. Mix them together. So if you like to see more baking recipes, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for weekly updates. Mix it until it forms together, then gently knead it. Using a spoon, cut a small portion, then roll into a ball. Flatten it between your palms, so you can see how it is round and smooth without using a cutter. So you could use any cookie cutter shape of your choice and create some nice cookies. Place the cookies on your baking pan, lined with baking paper. So I used a fork to create 3 lines on the top of the cookies to just add some style to it. Bake in a preheated oven at 177 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. After baking, let it cool. If you liked this video and found it helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe.